Good day guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be checking out Vonixx Citron. A little bit about Citron is this is going to be a decontaminating car wash, car shampoo, car soap. So I will go over a few things about this. First off, bottle, labeling, instructions on the back showing the pH scale of it. All of that is very, very cool. This is not going to be a pH neutral soap. This is more on the alkaline side. They show that right here. So you can see where it is at. They're showing it right there. So let's get into see what they say about this product, how to use it, how to dilute it. We'll dilute it. I'm going to use it with a foam cannon. I will show you how dirty the vehicle is. There is some bugs and stuff like that on there. So I'm going to foam it on. I'm going to also put this in the bucket and we will do a hand wash as well with the foam on there. So let's get into see what they say about it and then see this stuff in action. So what they have to say about it is Citron is a degreasing car wash soap. It is a biodegradable product that contains special surfactants and natural solvents extracted from orange peels. Citron is ideal for vehicles' heavy-duty washing, removing grease, oils, organic materials, waxes, helping to deeply clean the paint and exterior surfaces. How to use: dilute the product with water in the recommended proportion. Start washing with a microfiber mitt, always starting at the top of the vehicle. Dip the glove into the solution, rub gently until the vehicle is complete, then rinse to remove all the product. Dry the vehicle all together to prevent staining. Note, Citron is a great product in a pre-wash using a foam cannon. The dilution will depend on the pressure washer flow rate and the foam cannon mixing ratio. Dilution: heavy dirt 10-1, medium 50-1, light dirt 100-1. So that is what they have to say about Citron from Vonixx. So this bottle is going to last a really, really long time. For the price, I feel that it is a good deal, depending on how good it works. This product is made in Brazil. That is where all Vonixx products are made. So overall, you're not going to be using a ton of this. So I will get the proper dilution ratios in my wash bucket and then also in the foam cannon, and we'll see how this stuff performs. So let's go ahead, head out, foam this on, see what kind of foam it produces and how good this is using as a decontaminating wash. So I've got my bucket here. I've got 4 gallons of water in it. I went ahead and looked at my dilution ratio. We're going to go ahead and add it. I did want to show that it is thicker like that. And it has a very good citrus smell to it. So, as I said, with the orange peel extract in there. So this stuff is very thick, as you can see in this mixing cup. Well, not a mixing cup, a measuring cup. But I wanted to put it in here. We're going to see how it's going to foam up in the bucket, and then we'll start foaming. So you can see it foams up very quickly in the bucket. Nice suds. There is a lot of lubricity in those suds. But let's go ahead, start foaming, and then we'll come in for the contact wash. So as you can see, it's not crazy suds. This is not a snow foam. It is clinging to the surface and not just running down. So it is attacking the dirt, emulsifying it, pulling down off the surface slowly. It is a kind of watery, but it is sticking, as you can see, like on the windshield and stuff like that. So we're gonna see how good it works as basically a pre-cleaner. But as you can see, it does look pretty decent. I'm gonna go ahead and foam the rest of this down, and then we'll come in for the contact wash. So it does generate a nice amount of suds in the wash bucket. It does have good lubricity. I wouldn't say it's the slickest that I have felt, but it does offer some good lubricity. Right here on the mirror where the bugs are. It does break them down. Those bugs have been on there for, I don't even want to say how long. It's been too long. But it did break them down, got them off of the mirror with very little scrubbing. And it is breaking that road grime down on the door. Nice, quick, and effective. So overall, this stuff does have some really good cleaning power. Has a nice scent to it as well, which is always nice. So as you can see, it is working very well. I'm going to come in and just rinse off what I have done here. We'll see how it rinses, and then I will continue to wash the whole thing off camera. We'll rinse it down, and I'll come back in to show you if it's left any kind of residue behind or not after rinsing it. So just on that initial rinse, it did very well. Okay, so I've now gone around the whole car. This stuff has lots of suds, tons of lubricity, great cleaning power. I've done everything. It rinses very, very well. It hasn't left any residue behind. You can see the bucket there. I'm about out. Have not filled any more water in it. There's still suds in it. I'm going to wash this front rim right here just real quick, just to show the suds that are still in there and the suds that it's producing, because to me it is very, very impressive that they've lasted as long as they have. And I'm just doing it right here because it is black. You can see the suds better than you can on the white. This is a dedicated wheel mitt that I have that I used to use on paint. So before anyone freaks out, yes, it looks like the same one that I was using on the paint, but I have multiples of these, and this one is my wheel one. But right there you can see lots of suds still in this bucket. There's not much left in this bucket. The suds are still there. The lubricity is crazy out of this stuff. The cleaning power is phenomenal. As you can see, there is still a bunch of little beads. It has brought the paint protection back that was on here because it just hasn't been washed in a long time. If you're a follower of my channel, you know I've been making that much content, and the vehicles have been getting neglected just a little bit as well. But overall, this stuff is very, very impressive, and I'm absolutely loving it. Has a great smell, great cleaning power, rinse is great, tons of suds. Just can't say enough good stuff about this. Let me rinse this down real quick. I'll dry everything up, and I will show you the finished product. So as you can see, yes, the wheel's wet. You can't see if there's residue, but it rinses very, very easily, so that is a huge plus. Overall, really like this stuff. It's worked very, very well. All right, so there is my review of Vonixx Citron. This stuff to me is a great pre-cleaner. As I mentioned, on the back, you can see that scale. It is a higher alkaline cleaner, but it does a fantastic job. It does have great lubricity, and it works in a foam can and in a bucket. On here, it did mention about adjusting your ratio in your foam cannon. So could have I adjusted it to get more suds, more foam? Yes, I probably could have, but the suds that I got out of it, I was content with, and it also worked very well in a bucket. As you saw, it stripped the surface completely clean. It turned out really, really nice. I couldn't ask for much more. That is what I was looking for in a product, to get all the contaminants off of the surface and leave a great finish behind. It rinsed well, which is another huge positive for me because I don't like a soap that leaves residue behind. But overall, my initial thoughts and impression with Vonixx Citron is definitely a 2 thumbs up. As you can see, I didn't use a ton of this product. I still have a bunch. This is a massive bottle, so you get your value out of this product and what it is designed for. This is gonna be something that I use quite a bit for a pre-cleaning wash, foaming the vehicle down, letting it dwell, letting it break down all the dirts and contaminants on the surface, rinsing it, and then coming in for my contact wash. But overall, love this product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, remember to smash that thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. What did you think of it? Also remember, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload. And I will catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.